Do you like this style of videos and want to learn how to create them? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to make these trending videos with just a few simple clicks and get tons of views by uploading them on Instagram. So let's get started together. Step 1. Generate images with Leonardo AI website. Search for Leonardo AI. Click on this site. Click on Get Started option. In this section, you can register on the website using an Apple account, Google account, Microsoft account, or simply an email address. I'll be registering with my Google account. Click on Image Creation option. In the Preset section, choose Leonardo Phoenix option. In the Prompt Enhance, choose Auto option. For the preset style, select 3D Render option. In the Contrast section, choose High option. Click on More option and select the size for Instagram or TikTok. Paste the prompt text in this section. I've prepared 15 prompts featuring various animals in a PDF file that you can download. To access it, just visit my Telegram channel, which is linked in the video description, and download the file. Copy your desired prompt. Paste the prompt text in this section. Click on the Generate option, and Leonardo AI will create images for you. As you can see, the generated images are excellent. To download any of the images, simply click the download icon. Step 2. Converting an image created by Leonardo AI into a video. Search for Kling AI. Click on this site. To sign up, click on the Sign in for free credit option. In this section, type in your email here and your desired password here, then click Sign in to create your account. Click on AI Video option. Click on Image to Video option. Click here and select the image you downloaded earlier. In the prompt section, you can use the prompt I've provided in the video description. Just change the animal name. Mine, for example, is set to cat. Here, you can select the duration of the video to be either 5 or 10 seconds. I'll choose 5 seconds. You can also choose the number of videos you want to generate from this image. I'll select one. The more videos you create, the more credits you'll need to pay. To generate the video, click on Generate. One important note, the time required to create a video depends on the server load, and it can take anywhere from 5 minutes to 24 hours. However, the results are usually outstanding. Videos are often completed quickly, so don't worry if the process takes a bit longer. Here's the final result. In my opinion, it's amazing. To download the video, click on this icon. We're done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next video. Goodbye.